Hi everyone, welcome to Instacks. In this video, we'll be discussing one of the important model in ratio and proportions. The given question here is 2a is equal to 3b is equal to 4c. What is a is to b is to c? I think very dead is the question, guys. So the given information here, 2a is equal to 3b is equal to 4c. Find out a is to b is to c. Okay, so first close the a value, guys, and remaining two values are 3 into 4, 12 is 2, and close the b value, remaining two numbers, so 2 into 4, 8, and find the c value, just close them, and remaining two numbers, 3 into 2, 6. Okay, look at the screen, guys, here, 2 6 and 2 4 and 2 3 The final answer is 6 is to 4 is to 3. Which option is the right answer? Option 1 is the right answer.